All right. Welcome back to my Empire Pro. I haven't seen you guys in a while, but I want to come back here every now and then and drop some videos every chance I get. I think, it's been a little bit less than a month, but yeah. Do me a favor, hit the like button, share, subscribe, turn up your notifications. I will keep coming back and dropping you know, some of my tips here. This is what I do on a daily basis, but that's why I'm not here to drop videos on how I do it, but I will try to come back from time to time. Today, we're talking about new ways to make money online for beginners in 2024, 2025. Anyway, let's talk real quick. Now, obviously, making money, it's a function of bringing value to the marketplace. Now, I was watching a very interesting video of a gentleman who you probably just heard that voice, right? It was just Franklin Hatchett, something like that. Franklin Hatchett. And he was talking about, this topic, and I thought, let me listen in. But I'm hearing a lot of, people are making money without doing anything. Okay. Um, all you need is half a brain before you know that's probably not true. Okay. That is probably not true. So, on this episode, I want to give you some reality check on what it takes to make money. It's something I've been doing for 15 years. It's something that I still want to do a lot more and a lot more better. I'm still trying to be better at it, but I've made a lot of money in terms of online. In terms of scaling it and being stable and things like that is something that is an ongoing struggle for me personally. So I have to be honest with you with regards to that. But can you make money online? Absolutely. I'm making money online. Some of you are my existing customers. But again, I've made some mistakes. So I want to share some of the mistakes I've made with you in the form of tips so that you can avoid same mistake. Okay. The reality is that while I'm saying new ways to make money, the concepts are still the same. The the concepts are still the same essentially. Okay. Hold on one second. All right, great. So without any further ado, just get into it. Again, I'm going to share some mistakes in the form of tips, some of the false beliefs, myths that you might be getting out there. The idea that you can make money without doing anything is false. However, the value of your time can increase with time. Okay, the value of your time can increase with time. Now, I'm available to help you if you need help. Um, I can't tell you how many times I speak to friends, I speak to colleagues, people that are acquaintances, and they keep telling me that they're making this crazy mistake. Some of them have lost money in real estate, some of them have lost money in trying to build a business, and I'm talking in the thousands of dollars. Okay, now I've lost money in the form of time, which I think it can, I can't really say that because again, I'm still here, so we're still in the middle of the journey. But I'm just saying, losing money is not, it's no fun. That's what I'm trying to say. A lot of people are trying different things out there without seeking proper counsel before they do so. That doesn't have to be you. Some of us have made some mistakes ahead of you, so just one or two answers to a few questions can save you tens of hundreds of thousands of dollars. Okay. And you might not know the feel of that until you've experienced it, but it's no fun to be losing money with winging things. Okay, so let's be super careful with that. Now I'm going to scroll this information on the screen. Let's see here. Yeah, let me go ahead and scroll this on. If you're looking to get in touch with me, you need help, you want some counsel around this, I'm available. You can contact me through my empirepro.com. Okay. And or you can let me put my message. You can actually leave a message for me also at 305-8577. Okay. Right now, consultation is not free with me. The videos are free. Okay. My content is free. As a matter of fact, up to this point, the books, we have three books that you can download for free on the website. They're free. My time is not free for me, so I can't, I have to guard that now as we move forward. All right, now, but you can contact me over there if you need help, you need some consultation, you need help with regards to your business. Now, there's no such thing as offline business anymore. There's no such thing. Okay. Every business, either you're in real estate, either you're in a mom's and pop's shop, you're starting a new salon, all of that, every single type of business, they're all online business. When I first started more than 15 years ago, there was some business that were online and then some were offline. But there's no such thing as offline anymore. You're probably watching me on your phone device, mobile device, as you're moving about life right now. There's a good chance you're doing that. So all the attention there is to attract to your business, they're all online. I don't care if you're in a third world country somewhere, they're all online. So you just have to figure out how to leverage that for the success of your business, right? So, but anyway, today again, sorry for the rambling a little bit. I wanted to give you some new ways to make money online. If you're a beginner, this is going to be useful for you. First step, you want to choose a profitable niche. That's what they said. That's actually a myth. I think all the niches are profitable. You just have to figure out your numbers. Okay. So again, I'm going to share these things with you. They come like a tip. Like you might see other people talking about it, like it's a some kind of special tip. Well, they're all talking about it. Like if it was that easy, everybody should be doing it, right? So it's not about choosing a profitable niche. You need to choose a niche. Okay. I think all the niches are, if it's an actual niche, then it's profitable. You just have to learn how to monetize it. Monetization is the skill set that you will need to acquire. So now I believe that the best niche is the niche where you can effortlessly spend time, even if you're not making money up front, but you know that you enjoy doing what you're doing. You have some kind of passion for it. But it's also, in addition to that, it's not enough that you have passion for it. It must bring some kind of value to the marketplace, either in the form of a product or a service, some kind of offer that actually makes somebody's life easier, simpler, better, faster, make a process faster, some kind of value that you can bring to other people. All right. If as long as the services you're providing, the help you're providing can actually make somebody's life better in one shape, form, or the other, then it is a profitable niche. You just have to figure out how to monetize it. Okay. Number two, outsource operational task. This is a good tip. I do outsource some stuff, but again, a lot of people are they just trying to come into a business and just do this, do this, do that for me. They just want to point fingers and have people take over task from them without bringing any kind of value first. That's a very dangerous game to play. How do I know? Because a lot of people that I know personally have spent a lot of money on outsourcing, right? They've outsourced tons and tons of different tasks and things like that, but they come back 3, 4 months later, they notice they've wasted thousands of dollars and they have nothing to show for it. So I would be very, very careful that you're not just outsourcing just for outsourcing sake, just because you're lazy. I will make sure you're not just lazy. When I say lazy, I'm not talking physically, I'm talking about even in terms of your entrepreneurial mindset, right? Yes, you can hire people to manage certain repetitive tasks. Yes, you can manage people to look out for trading signals so they can just give you signals to throw your money at the market and make a boatloads of money. I will be very, very careful. Okay, I can't tell you how many people have lost so much money. I know personally, buying trading signals, buying different tips, buying courses, and just wasting lots and lots of money on useless knowledge. All right. So, but anyway, what I'm talking about right now is the idea of just outsourcing. Outsourcing, you should only be outsourcing things that you've done, that you've known to be a very successful, viable task in your business, but you just want somebody else to take it off your hands so you can focus on creating more business development, right? Um, that's absolutely a good one, right? Outsource operational task, but I'll be very, again, these are myths. Ultimately, on the surface level, these are ultimately myths that you want to be very careful with. Of course, there are platforms like Upwork.com, Fiverr.com, and there are people out there that will list, they can do heaven and earth for you. Maybe do your SEO services for your website, set up your website for you. A lot of those services are delivered useless into your business. So make sure you know what you're doing. All right. Number three, the third myth slash tip that I want to share with you, use subscription services. Of course, use subscription services, but let me give an example for you. We used to watch our TVs via cable. You would pay minimum maybe $150 for the cable services, all these channels. And then in the last 5 to 7 years, you've noticed all the subscription services started coming to play. We're talking about even Disney. We're talking about platforms like, I'm talking about America now, right? We're talking about obviously Netflix. Netflix started it, but then everybody, all these different channels are now creating their own mobile app subscription services, right? Um, I think there's one called Peacock, there's Hulu, right? All these different services. And before you know it, they start adding up. And before you know it, you're paying more than $150 per month just to watch TV or content that you might never watch. And in addition to the fact that many of this content, they don't really have value to your life outside of entertainment, right? So, in the same token, when it comes to business, you might get some advices out there to sign up for subscription services. For example, I recommend my empirepro.com/CMS for your content management system because I use them personally and I use them, I pay them every month, right? But these two tools right here, your content management system, you can go to my empirepro.com/CMS if you want to support this platform, or the CRM, which is the customer relationship management software, like things like auto responder, things like the email, being able to send email newsletters from your business to thousands upon thousands of people. Check them out. But these are the only two services you need to make money online. These two, my empirepro.com/CMS, my empirepro.com/CRM. Those are the two services that I personally use and I recommend them, right? But what you'll find, a lot of people will go start subscribing to so many services. The newest one is school.com. School.com, I think, can be super useful if you already have a following, right? If you already have some kind of following and you just want a place where you can manage content and be able to create services and you don't want all these different services, I guess it can be. But I have a very strong feeling that majority, more than 90% of people purchasing that tool will basically not, it will basically take away value from their business. So I'll be very, very careful to make sure that's actually something you need, right? There are free services out there to manage your community. Even things as simple as WhatsApp can manage your community, Telegram. Um, there are free services out there. So don't overthink. Again, there's the concept you need to understand. Yes, there's use subscription services, but you need to be doing that and be mindful of resourcefulness. Okay, you need to be doing that. Now, this one is not really negotiable. I'm sorry. Content marketing. You need to be creating content. Content marketing is something as simple as what I'm doing right now. Something that you know very well, that you know will be valuable, your knowledge base that will be valuable to other people. You turn on a video camera on your phone and you simply talk, and somebody will find that useful. That is content marketing. That is as simple as it can get. It can get more complicated than that, but a lot of people want to get started and have all these fancy things. You don't even have to have a text on the screen like me or a logo on the screen. You don't have to have that to get started. You just have to get started. Your first 100 videos should just be pure raw content coming out of your experience, wealth of knowledge. Okay. And that will naturally attract some type of traffic to those content because that's just how the internet works today. And then when you do that, when you start generating those traffic, then tip number 5 will be a very valuable tip: monetizing the traffic. You're getting all this traffic, you should start monetizing right away, but don't overthink it. Again, monetization is basic skills at this point. Which what is not really basic skill at this point is the concept, being able to conceptualize the idea of making money online in 2024 and beyond is actually what is not basic skills. Why? Because there's too much information, that everybody is overloaded with information overwhelm, and paralysis by analysis. People are piling up subscription services that they don't know how to use, as opposed to keeping it simple. So the luxury now is in learning how to keep things simple. And it's going to be hard to do that when you're presented with so many distractions, enticing distractions that promises to make you $1,000 in the next 1 minute, right? Um, Believe it or not, people are falling for that. You might have fell for that already, but don't do that. Okay, instead of doing that, you should be looking for ways to bring value to the marketplace, as opposed to looking for a way to make money quick. Yes, you can make money very quickly, but usually it's short lifespan. Okay, usually, um, you're probably just going to, if it's working, it's going to get shut down in 3 months. If it's that easy. So one thing I'll tell you that's not easy is the knowledge that you have that can bless other people's lives, that can add value to other people's lives, being able to push that into the marketplace in a sustainable way that you can absolutely build a 6 7 figure business from. I know that that is not super simple, but what I've managed to do over the past few years, I've created a level of sustainability that I never used to have. I would build businesses and then they will crash. I will build and then they will crash. It happened to me a couple of times. So there's a couple of things I've learned over the last 15 years that I would like to share with you, and then obviously help you build a sustainable business that won't just crash and burn, or to the point where you're losing your money to some guru, some sweet mouth guru who can sell you really good. If you've gone through that already, I'm sorry, but they are absolutely, it's not your fault. It's happened to the best of us, but it doesn't have to keep happening. So if your dream is still alive and you want to build a business online and you want to make money online, even if you're a brand new beginner or you've made a few mistakes here and there, um, I'm here to help. Okay, I'm here to help. So if you need my help, all you have to do is reach out to me. You reach out. Let me see. Where's the contact information? Oh, you can download my book for free. By the way, you can download my book for free. It's scrolling through the screen. Digitalmarketingcertified.com. This book right here. All right, it's 200 pages of absolute gem for free, and you can and also it's available in audiobook. You can download it from audible.com for free if you're not yet a member. It's also available like this, hardcover like this, or soft cover. It's up to you. Okay. Just find them at digitalmarketingcertified.com or myempirepro.com. You can also contact me over there. Like I said, this is my, if you send me a text message here, I will get it. I'll respond to you. Consultation with me is not free, but I will answer you. Okay. All right. Thank you so much. That's all I have for you today. Without Let's not waste any more time. Okay, I have some other videos on here you might want to check out, so check them out. Cheers. Peace.